Here at Sekas International, we custom make luxury fur garments. In addition, we provide services for all of your fur-related needs. Here's a look at me and my wife Athena taking apart these mink coats to get them ready for alterations and remodeling. Have an old coat that needs to be tailored to your size? Or have you been wanting some home furnishings, such as a throw or fur pillow to bring life into your living space? At Sekas International, we've got you covered. A huge benefit of your fur garment is that it can be tailored, shaped, sheared, and completely transformed in almost any way you'd like. Rest assured, you can expect the highest quality service. We have master craftsmen with years of experience working on the premises. We source the finest materials from around the world, producing a top quality garment that you can be proud of. In addition to all the remodeling possibilities, we can provide you a cold storage space for your garments also on premises. Summer maintenance, which includes cleaning and glazing, should be an integral part of fur ownership. With proper care, your furs will continue to look and feel fresh. Here at Sekas International, we pride ourselves in our ability to provide services for all the needs of our customers. Feel free to contact us with any questions or to discuss your dream project.